Here are the detailed specifications for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Key specifications. Processor, Google Tensor G4. RAM, 16 GB. Storage, 256 GB, non-expandable. Operating system, Android 14. Display, 6.3-inch OLED, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR support. Battery, 5000 mAh, supports 45W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and reverse charging. Camera. Rear camera, triple setup. 50 megapixels primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS. 48 megapixels telephoto camera. 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera. 4K UHD video recording at 60 FPS. Front camera, 42 megapixels. Design and build. Dimensions, 6.41 by 3.02 by 0.33 inches, 162.7 by 76.6 x 8.5 millimeters. Material, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the back. Water and dust resistance, IP68 rating. Biometrics, in-screen fingerprint sensor. Connectivity, 5G support, yes. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth, 5.4. USB, Type-C, USB 3.2. Other, NFC, eSIM, no 3.5mm headphone jack. Additional features. Audio, multiple speakers, no 3.5mm jack. Sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor. Other, wireless screen share, noise cancellation with additional microphones. The Pixel 9 Pro promises high performance with its Tensor G4 chipset and ample RAM, excellent camera capabilities with a versatile triple camera setup, and a vibrant OLED display. It also features modern connectivity options, though it lacks expandable storage and a headphone jack.
Subscribe our YouTube channel for latest updates of smartphones.